When Apple drops a brand new, entry-level iPad, the tech world usually knows what to expect: a modest processor bump, a slightly refined display, and a price tag designed to pull everyday users straight into the ecosystem. But as we step into late 2026, rumor mills, manufacturing leaks, and supply chain reports from Cupertino suggest that the upcoming iPad 12th generation is anything but an incremental update. Apple is quietly preparing a massive overhaul for its most affordable tablet, turning what used to be a basic web browser and media consumption device into an absolute powerhouse of modern performance, artificial intelligence, and display technology. If you have been holding off on upgrading your aging tablet, or if you're thinking about dropping hundreds of extra dollars on an iPad Air or Pro, you need to pause immediately. The iPad 12th Gen is shaping up to completely obliterate the line between entry-level and premium, delivering features we never thought we would see at a budget price point. Today, we are diving deep into every single leak, exclusive schematic, chip upgrade, and insider report to uncover why this upcoming release is about to change the tablet landscape forever. To truly understand why the iPad 12th generation is generating unprecedented hype, we have to talk about the sheer engine under the hood. For years, the base model iPad received recycled processors from older iPhone generations. Reliable, yes, but always one or two steps behind Apple's cutting-edge silicon. Leaked benchmark figures and supply chain orders reveal that Apple is equipping the 12th Gen with a custom-optimized variant of the A18 chip. This is not just a standard generational bump. It represents a monumental architectural leap forward. The inclusion of the A18 silicon means the standard iPad will, for the first time in history, fully support native on-device Apple Intelligence features without thermal throttling or performance compromises. We are talking about real-time offline transcription, advanced generative image tools, instant contextual Siri responses, and effortless multitasking that previously required a high-end M-series processor. Imagine running heavy photo editing applications, rendering multiple video streams, and having intelligent AI assistants predicting your next move in real time on Apple's most affordable slate. The processing efficiency of the A18 also brings staggering battery life gains, letting you push through intensive work sessions, gaming marathons, and high-definition video binges without constantly reaching for a wall charger. Beyond pure computing horsepower, the hardware aesthetics and display technology are receiving a much-needed modern standard shift. Internal chassis leaks point toward a refined, ultra-durable aluminum enclosure featuring significantly slimmer, symmetrical bezels that bring the design language right in line with the high-end iPad Pro line. But the real star of the show is the display upgrade. Industry analysts have long criticized the entry-level iPad for retaining a non-laminated display structure that left an awkward air gap between the cover glass and the actual pixels underneath. Leaked assembly line specifications indicate that Apple has finally resolved this manufacturing bottleneck, equipping the iPad 12th Gen with a fully laminated liquid retina display featuring anti-reflective coatings. This means every touch feels directly linked to the content on screen, eliminating that hollow tapping sound and dramatically improving outdoor visibility under bright sunlight or direct office lighting. Furthermore, color accuracy and peak brightness are seeing a massive bump, making this screen an absolute dream for digital artists, note-takers, and visual content consumers alike. When we look at usability, one of the biggest complaints from current owners has been the awkward positioning of the front-facing camera when using the tablet in a desktop or keyboard-docked environment. Apple addressed this in previous iterations, but leaks confirm that the iPad 12th Gen takes camera layout and optical hardware to an entirely new level. The upgraded ultra-wide front camera features an advanced sensor that dramatically improves low-light performance while seamlessly integrating next-generation center stage software tracking. Whether you are dialing into a critical business Zoom call, taking online university lectures, or catching up with family, the camera dynamically reframes It'll keep you perfectly centered even as you move around the room. Furthermore, internal component layouts reveal upgraded studio-quality dual microphones placed strategically along the edges, drastically cutting down background environmental noise and picking up crisp, natural vocal tones without needing external microphone hardware. Let us address the elephant in the room that every tech buyer cares about: storage configurations and pricing strategy. Historically, Apple's entry-level devices were notorious for starting at painfully restrictive base storage capacities that forced users into buying cloud subscriptions or paying steep upgrade fees. Supply chain leaks strongly indicate that Apple is finally retiring low baseline storage options for good. The iPad 12th generation is slated to start with a generous 128 gigabytes standard base storage, doubling the usability out of the box for apps, games, high-res media, and offline document storage without driving the starting price upward. Industry insiders suggest Apple is holding the line on aggressive entry pricing to maintain total market dominance against budget Android tablets and Chromebooks, getting double the base storage, a fully laminated display, next-gen A18 processing power, and full-fledged Apple Intelligence integration at an ultra-accessible price point renders virtually every competitor instantly obsolete. When you pair all these hardware refinements with the features introduced in the latest version of iPadOS, the iPad 12th generation transforms into a genuine computer replacement for 90% of everyday users. Enhanced desktop-class window management, effortless file handling, expanded external monitor support, and seamless integration across the Apple ecosystem mean you can draft documents, edit long-form videos, sketch complex illustrations, and manage heavy workflows with fluid ease. Accessories are also getting a streamlined upgrade, with magnetic smart connector pins positioned to support lightweight, highly responsive dynamic keyboard folios and precision stylus inputs that turn this budget tablet into a portable digital workstation instantly. Everything about this device feels intentionally engineered to deliver maximum value, bridging the gap between everyday convenience and professional capability like never before. As production ramps up toward the official announcement event, the evidence is overwhelming. The iPad 12th generation is not just a minor refresh. It is a full-blown revolution for the budget technology market. Apple has taken every feedback note, fixed every design compromise, and crammed incredible performance into an impossibly sleek, affordable package. If you want a device that seamlessly balances high-end speed, stunning visual clarity, future-proof AI integration, and unbelievable battery life, the wait is almost over. Stay locked in as more real-time leaks, official press announcements, and hands-on teardowns emerge in the coming days, because this release is set to completely dominate the tech landscape in 2026 and beyond.